Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we will see how we can create a group on WhatsApp. You might be creating it for your fun and entertainment purposes with your friends, or for study or educational purposes, or maybe for your professional purposes so that all your colleagues can talk and can have fun in that one group. So today I'll teach you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description, you can check that as well. So first open WhatsApp in your mobile phone and also make sure it is linked with your contact number. Let's open WhatsApp. Here you can see all the chats that are done in WhatsApp. So from there we will see how we can create a group. As you can see, there are three dots on the top right side of the screen. You just have to click on these three buttons and then you will see few options will appear. From there we have to select the first one which says new group. So just tap on it. First it will ask us to add all the members in the group. It is all up to you, you can add any member of your choice. You have to add each member one by one by just searching for their names and then just clicking on them, and then they will be added into groups. Here I'm just gonna add 3 people. So for that I have just had search for FR for friends, and here you can see these names are appearing. So I'll select all of these. Here I have selected these 3 contacts as my group members. Now it's time to give a name to that group. So here you can type any name. If it's with your school fellows, you can type something like school, and if it's your work related, you can type job or your office name, or you can type anything that is related to that group. So here I'm just creating this group for my friends so that we can have a chat in that. So I'll name it friends. Along with name you can also add emojis of your choice, and after that just click here. Here you can say it says the group has been created. So now we will further set up our group by just clicking on its name here on the top. Just tap on it and then there will be more options. You can also add a profile picture of the group. It is all up to you, you can select any picture from your media gallery. You just have to click on gallery and then you just have to select it from your gallery. So here I have selected this. Now I will go for further information, like I will add group description. In group description you can add anything like group rules and regulation, or any announcement, or anything related to that group. You can also add any code or any kind of wordings. After you're done with description, just click on OK. Here you can see the description is uploaded. After that we will go for further settings. You can also set up disappearing messages. You can select how long you want a message to stay in that group. It's all up to you. Then we have group settings. Here we can manage who can message, who can edit, and who can edit admins. After that, if you want to add further participants, you have to just click on add participant and then you have to select people from your contact list. So this is how you can create group on WhatsApp and can also set up all its details. There it is. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create group on WhatsApp. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.